Hey, join me as I make this rubble birthday pumpkin for my son Miles is turning 4. Crafts with your mama Mish. We're designing shirts out of vinyl sheets. Ways to make learning fun. The classroom parties, trunk or treats, birthdays, and holidays.
Yo, mama.
Hello, everyone.
Hey guys, it's your mama Michigan, and I am back in the craft lab. Yes, I am. I bought this craft pumpkin. Not $19.99, of course, but I bought it. It was definitely a discount. And I'm going to make him a Paw Patrol rubber type of pumpkin. So I used my Cricut just to kind of cut out the little stencils. I'll put the paw print, and of course he's turning 4 around Halloween time, so I'll put that on the pumpkin.
I went ahead and sketched as best as I could with a pencil, just Rubble's face here. I think you can see how far down you can put. So we will get started.
Found this Crayola pumpkin paint on colors for just $5.99 at Target. Look at this. So we're just taking a little, I had to dampen my brushes a little bit just so I could.
Happy birthday, Miles. Don't forget to like and subscribe.